What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got. For the first gadget I got here Pringles To Go Box. Single server container. Let's see what it's all about. So let's say if you wanna put some lunch chips with you, like Pringles, you wouldn't bring this whole giant Pringle box because it's just too big. But it is quite a bit cheaper than buying this little container. So this way you can get this reusable container and stack your chips into here. There you go. That is so cool, and it looks like it's made by Pringles too. Now you can pop this open and you have quite a few chips out here. Look how many. This is awesome. Put it in the box, in the backpack. It gets smashed, toast. You open it up, all your chips are good to go and easy to eat. And even if you only eat half, you can still close it and eat them later. A really cool box. I really like that gadget by Pringles a lot. For the next gadget I got here, tea timer. Can you believe it? It's actually set the tea bag, you set the timer and it takes it out by itself. Wow, what an awesome idea. I never seen anything like that before. Look like a penguin with a head. This is beautiful. Let's hook it up a tea bag and try to make some tea. On the instruction it says, first of all, you put the tea bag, you put it like this. Cool. I'm gonna make sure the paper doesn't go in the water. Then I'm gonna add hot water in all the way to the top. Then I'm gonna set the timer for, I don't know, I like it stone, so I'm gonna set it for 5 minutes, maybe even more. Oh wow, it's automatically went down. So I put it to the max and the hopefully alarm will sound and let me know when the tea is done. I don't have to sit here and sip it and wait for it to start getting good. Alright, let's come back and see if it actually works. Whoa, check this out. I was about to grab it and it just rings and it says it's done and it lifts it up all the way pretty much. I should have maybe turned it up a bit higher, but it's cool. You can set it on different timer, 3 minutes, 4, 5. Different teas need to be brewed a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, but up to 15 minutes and I guess 20 minutes. That's awesome. What a cool gadget. I really like it. Plus it looks funny. So maybe I would fill it up water first, then I would wrap it around so it's not touching the water. And let's do this for just a minute just to see what it looks like. So then you set it. And look, the coolest part, when you set it, it goes down automatically. Then you can reset for how long you want to do it. Let's do just a minute or even less, see what happens. So very cool gadget. Have you ever seen a tea bag timer? If you love tea like I do, you probably will appreciate this gadget. I really like it. For the next gadget I got here salad dressing dispenser. Let's see how it works. Push one straw in, and I like how this straw is adjustable for the smaller and a bigger bottle. You get your regular dressing. Usually it comes with one of those jars, and apparently you can make it even better. I guess there is already dispenser, but if you remove that you can maybe get even better dispenser. Let's find out if it's actually better. Boom, that comes out pretty easily. Then you stick it in and screw it on. Now let's try to put some dressing on this salad. You open this up. Oh wow, you just press it and then it fills it up. How much salad do you want? Very cool. And then you pour it. Whoa, so this is like a measuring spoon, so that way you don't overfill it. Let me show this to you again. You press it simply and look at that, it mixes it already too. Fill it up to the top, let go, extra will go back in, and you see how this is separated. and this side here is not, because it's mixed it together. And then you can pour another dose. Boom. And look, it's not spilling out when I'm holding it upside down. Awesome. So this is like a measuring spoon and holder, and then you can just close this up and put it in the refrigerator, because if you hold it upside down, it's not spill it. It spills a little bit, but hopefully you don't drop it. And all you have to do is, again, just press it. It's gonna fill up the top cup, and then you pour it. Awesome. Boom. I actually going to use that gadget for sure. And will it fit in a smaller bottle? Let's find out. It has to be this kind of burn though. I mean bottle like that. Fits good. Let's see if it works. Press it. Oops. Too hard. Fail a bit. I don't know what happened. Let's see what I did on. Maybe the straw fell out, or you know what? I don't know. Maybe it wasn't tight. There you go. Let's try it again. You know what? With smaller bottles, for some reason it doesn't work that well. You have to pump a lot more for some reason. So I would use this for the bigger bottles like that. But is it necessary? Not so much. With these attachments, you can't really spin too much of the vinegar, because it goes out pretty slowly. For the next gadget, this one is actually pretty awesome. If you need to use a bowl and stir up like a dough or pancakes mix, so that way it doesn't wobble on the floor or on the table, I mean, you can get a gadget like that. This is a very slippery table, and it sticks so well. Look at that. Awesome. So you can put any kind of bowl in, and it sticks so well. Look, it does not go side to side. Wow. Let's try to mix something in here, see what happens. For example, we're going to put some pancake. I can't even move it by sliding it. Look at that. I actually had to lift it up. I'll put some flour and water just to actually show you how it works. Pour water in. Usually I would put milk in, but this is just for fun. Then let's say you need to mix it all, and look at that. I don't have to hold it. This is awesome. And even if I hit it to the side, it holds so well, does not slide. With this thing, what happens if I try to mix it, it makes a big mess. I have to hold it. But with this gadget, you don't even have to hold it. You pop it in, you can even put it sideways a little bit, mix it, and you see, it's not sliding and not making any mess at all. And you can set it closer to you, out. So this is actually very, very useful gadget. I don't have to worry about the bowl falling at all, and some of them are so round. If you're going to mix like a pancake dough, you'll have to hold it. With this gadget, I don't even have to hold it and worry about just mixing the dough, and look how well it's already mixed. But yeah, pretty awesome, right? And then obviously you can just stick it in a washing machine if it got dirty, but I'm definitely using this gadget. It's amazing. And for the next gadget, we have here lemon, lime, citrus juicer. This one, as you can see, new, but it's redesigned. I guess a little bit redesigned, but pretty much rebuild vintage gadget. I love vintage gadgets because they are very, very durable. And they have amazing designs. You see, you have a strainer here. Let's try it out. I have here a big lemon. Okay. Cut lemon in half. I guess I'll put it like this. And then we're going to juice it. Wow, look at that. It squeezed it so hard. That's awesome. It's like a pancake now. Another one. awesome. Squeezed it like a pancake again. And you got lots of juice out here. And let's put it in the bowl, and it's going to hold all the seeds. That's the idea anyway. Boom, they hold the seeds. There's no seeds in this lemons, which is awesome. I guess they kept the seeds all inside there anyways. Okay, juice lemons really good. Let's see if we can juice orange. Got an orange right here, just gonna cut it in half. I think it'll have no problem because they feel actually a bit shorter. So you hold it like that and then squeeze it. Awesome. Once again, pancake. Look at that. You can even squeeze it even harder. Boom. Awesome. Okay, and then second half. Oh yeah, squeeze it so good. I have so much leverage. Pancake. And then I'm gonna grab it and pour it into my cup. A lot of juice, but not enough. Let's actually make a cup of fresh squeezed orange. And one more. Destroys it. That's pretty cool juicer. I like it a lot. Obviously, taste test. Pretty good. Thumbs up for me. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.